In this video, I'll show you what to do if Instagram Reels are not showing. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and hit that subscribe button. And once you have subscribed, please go and leave a like as well. I really do appreciate it. And this tutorial will work for any device, no matter if it's an iPhone or an Android or any other device, it's going to work as long as you've got Instagram on it. So of course, the first thing you want to do is go and open up your Instagram app, and you should have your Reels icon in the bottom row of icons. As you can see, mine is there. However, if you haven't got one, I'll be showing you a few fixes you can try to go and get it. So the first thing you want to do is actually go and try updating the app. To check if Instagram has got an update, you want to come to the App Store, and all you want to do is simply go and search for Instagram. So search for Instagram like so, it's going to pop up pretty fast, and there we go. If it says open, that means you've got the most up-to-date version of Instagram. So if it just says open, let's go back into Instagram and I'll be showing you the next fix. Now the next fix I recommend you trying is either offloading or deleting Instagram. To do that, all you want to do is hold it, like so, and you want to go and click remove app. And if you wanted to offload it, go to your settings, general, and then go to iPhone storage, and then go and find Instagram, and you can go and offload it here. Now another fix you can also go and try is actually reporting the issue to Instagram so they can go and help you find a fix. To do this, all you want to do is on the bottom right, go and click on your icon, then go and click on the 3 bars at the top, and then it's going to go and bring up this list here, and all you want to do is go and click on settings. Then once it brings up settings, you've got all of this list here. So what you want to do is go and click on help. Then it's going to take you to these 4 options here. You've got report a problem, help center, support requests, privacy and security help. Now I recommend going and clicking on report a problem, and as you can see, then get another 3 options, and all you want to do is go and click on something isn't working. Then you can go and type in the issue which is you're having essentially. So for example, I'm going to go and type in Instagram Reels are not showing, and then hopefully Instagram are going to get back to you with a fix or an answer which you can go and try. I'm not going to go and click send because I already do have Reels, but of course if you don't have Reels, then go and click send, and hopefully you're going to go and get a response. Now another thing that you can also go and try is making a new account. I know some accounts just don't have Reels on them yet because it's still sort of being rolled out, although it should have it. Try making a new Instagram account and seeing if it does have Reels on there, as that's going to sort of help you see if it's that account. But if you also have that issue where it's still not showing up even with another account, you could try a whole nother device. Obviously that's not ideal, but that's sort of an extreme you may have to go and try. But yeah, those are the fixes. Hopefully one of those will have made you be able to go and access Reels on Instagram. If you found this video useful, please go down below and hit that subscribe button, leave a like for more, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.